point to Nora. She's very busy.
Someone's had a little too much beer tonight. You going to... Are you going to give a toast?
Is that your belly? Uh-oh.
Well,
What do you see?
99 bottles of beer on the wall.
What are you looking at?
Out of memory. Oh, I must have put it in wrong. Oops. Sorry, camera.
What kind of wine is this? It's really good.
Mañana from Spain.
It's delicious.
Well, you
Mariana.
can take it home.
Wait, I have to cork it.
Hey, Reverend.
Hey, it's mommy to you.
Hey, Nunu.
Yes, it's a big spaghetti, huh? Wow, are you going to eat it?
Yeah.
Can your belly fit anything else in it?
No, we didn't say no. Just no.
No way.
No.
What are you? You look funny. You say asparagus?
Yes.
So, how you doing?
I'm funny.
You